So I had left for Italy on the 16th of February, and I was there for a leather fair, and I also have customers there. So I left Italy on the 21st morning, and till then there was not even one single case announced by Italy. The first case which Italy announced was on the 21st evening, and I was in Hungary at that time. Reached India on the 25th morning. 25th night I had fever, 99.5, and I thought it can be because of a jet lag or for a long flight, and I was doing 10 12 kilometers walking every day. So I just went to my physician the very next day. He gave me medicines telling me that, Rohit, you have slight infection, it should be okay. 29th, I went for my again to my physician and requested him that I want to get COVID test done. 29th, I was admitted to Ramano Hospital. I went there for getting my check done, and they did not allow me to come back. 1st of March 2020, the government came to know that I am COVID positive. Although it was not conveyed to me, it was conveyed to me on the 2nd. But on the first only, they had transferred me from Ramano Hospital to Safjang Hospital.
How did you come to know about pranic healing?
First and foremost, thank you to everybody in the Pranic Healing team. You guys are doing a fantastic job. And I know Pranic Healing with me correlates to Madhvi. Madhvi, as my healer, started doing Pranic Healing for me when I was detected COVID positive. She had even told my wife that even before my reports had come, that I feel that the reports of Rohit will come positive because she could see or sense whatever you people see.
That along with medication, how did pranic healing actually help you healed from COVID-19?
See, medication, everybody knows there is no medication, but whatever medication the doctors were adhering to me were doing their job. But anxiety levels, your psychological needs, these cannot be actually, if you see, there was no psychologist being provided to me. For me, my psychologist was Madhvi, my healer. With the help of pranic healing by my healer Madhvi, I was overcoming overcoming COVID on a daily basis. I could feel the difference in my anxiety levels, my body, my cough. Everything was getting better day by day. All thanks to pranic healing, I feel.
How many members from your family circle got affected with COVID-19, Rohit?
See, I was from Delhi, and my family members from Agra. There were 6 people, and another 2 people known to them. So total of 9 people were affected with COVID.
And to how many you advocated pranic healing?
Oh, all of them, all of them. With pranic healing's help, as I was, my medication started on the 3rd of March in the hospital, and my first negative report was on 9th of March. So you see, it is hardly 7 days, and when the doctors had come to take my swabs for checking, I told them कि सर आज मेरी रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव ही आएगी. So 10th को the result I was quite sure that it was going to be positive, and Madhvi had confirmed it before that also. Don't worry, all will be fine. We came out on the 14th of March. 2 members of my family were still inside, and then I was following up with Madhvi along with my wife also. That he was the person who was there was in a lot of stress. Madhvi, our healer, pranic healer, did wonders, and God willing, and with support of pranic healer and all the best wishes from all the healers all around, they also managed to come out in the next 2 days.
On the scale of 1 to 10, that what contribution you will give to your the contribution of pranic healing and your healer Madhvi in your recovery and recovery of your family member on the scale of 1 to 10?
See, if the scale of 1 to 10 is only for pranic healing, I would give 11 out of 10 because I'm talking about myself. I'm not about the other 8 people. I really felt lot of difference when I used to tell Madhavi that Madhavi, it is paining here, or I am having a little breathlessness, maybe in couple of hours it vanished. So I would give 11 out of 10. I would like to tell people here once again to please try pranic healing once. It does wonders.
Madhvi, you want to say something?
For COVID patients, we did pranic healing, and whatever physically they were feeling, we could heal that. And emotionally, there was a lot of fear. There was a lot of, in some people, anxiety. In some people, they were feeling angry because why they are stuck in such a situation. So we could heal that. And we saw the result in each of our patients. Different patients had different symptoms. Some had dry cough, some had fever with cough, some had only breathlessness and discomfort in the lungs while breathing, and no cough, no cold, no fever. But each of the patients from Rohit and his family, we could heal them. The trainers supported us in the healings for all the COVID patients, along with the preventive cases. All the healers did a fantastic job. They were Vanita, Rubina, Isha, Garima, Anugupta, Radhika, Prajakta, Gayatri, Suchit, Vedi, Jyotianchan, Monisha, Sajal, Balaji, and Pooja Singla. Along with me, they all did the healings. And COVID patients, we were doing anything between 4 to 5 healings in a day. And for the preventive ones, since they were in direct contact, we were doing every day.